This is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So you want to open up your Instagram, go to the top right on the hamburger menu. From there you want to click on Account Center. Then you want to click on your information and permissions. Then you're going to see download your information. So you want to tap on download your information. Just tap on download or transfer information and then just click on all available information. Then just go to download to device, choose Instagram, and then just click on create files. And once you receive your files, you're going to get an email that it tells you that your information is available to download. And then you basically open up your Instagram again, go back to the account center, and if you go here and download your information, general transfer, let's say all available, you're going to see your current files, the one you have got on your email, or you can just click a link in your email and then just open it via files or wherever you have downloaded, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.